Hi, I'm Maheshwari.
I'm Daksha.
I'm Bhavani from Department of Food Science, Nutrition and Dietetics
From MGR Educational Research Institute.
Yes, UG program in Food Science, Nutrition, Dietetics is different from other UG programs because wider opportunities which covers the both food science and nutrition and dietetics. We have a wider syllabus in this.
As of now, I would like to look for a job and gain an experience of 1 year. Then I would like to try for MSc program.
Once I gain my experience in this field, I will prefer to join Dr. MGR Education and Research Institute.
I can work as a nutrition coach or clinical nutrition even in industry sectors. I have learned the basics and how to apply it, so it will be easy for me when I'm working.
Yes, I can become a professional being a graduate because I have both knowledge in food industry side and also in clinical side.
Yes, my graduation has helped me to improve my professional skill. What I am thinking is like handling a client and being patient with them and providing appropriate diet for any health condition. So now I can say that I can give them a diet for any health condition.
It depends on person to person. They basically try to do a higher studies on different specifications like food science and technology or clinical nutrition than in general aspects.
Yes, it made me a better person from my professional side as well as in my personal side. I have gained a lot of knowledge from academic side. So also I have gained knowledge and I was like more bold and strong and I can speak out myself. From what I have compared myself from first year to third year, I can say I was too bold now.
They have provided me with many opportunities like MCs as well as like doing in presentation. Now I don't have any public fear, like public stage fear. I'm confident in speaking.
We have done our final year project research. It was so helpful and it was going to help for my career. And then I can say before doing a project and after doing a project, I can say that the way of thinking and understanding a thing is completely different.
The insights and the knowledge from our faculty has greatly inspired me. The facilities for practical learning has helped me a lot in my field.
Guest speakers. So far we have attended so many conferences and webinars. Our college has personally brought guest speakers who are well versed in our field where we could gain more knowledge. Also they have given us career guidance programs where we got a clear idea about our career.
We have participated in various inter-college competitions in the conference which helped me a lot to improve my skills.
Our college has provided with various internships like hospital internship and industrial internship where we could gain hands-on experience and in-depth knowledge. We have also learned about event management where we have conducted different events.
Yes, we got various opportunities to do research in various fields and I've done a review article in a final year project and the faculty members and the guidance which we have received helped me a lot to do this project.
I would like to thank President S.S. Arun Kumar sir,
Joint Register
Deputy Dean. I would like to thank our faculty who have paved my way to success. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
thank you.
Thank you.